Welcome to SS Public School, and today is Friday, and today's subject is science. And this session is for class 8, and we have to learn the first chapter of class 8. The chapter name is crop production and management. And this is the part 1 of crop production and management. And in this chapter, we have to learn the introduction of crop production and management. The first is we have to learn about the introduction of crop management, and the second topic will be crops, and the third topic will be crop seasons, and the fourth topic is agriculture tools, and next topic will be basic agricultural practices, and the next topic will be nitrogen fixation. And the last topic in this chapter, we have to learn about food from animals. Listen again. And in this chapter, we have to learn the first introduction about crop production and management. And the second, we have to learn about crops. And the third, we have to learn about crop seasons. It means how many types of seasons of crops and in which season we have to grow different types of crops. And the next, we have to learn about the agriculture tools. It means for the agricultures, how many tools and which types of tools we use any times. And the next, we have to learn basic agricultural practice. It means basic agricultural practice we have to learn. And the next, nitrogen fixation. It means in the at the time of the agriculture we use the nitrogens for the fertilization. And the next, we have to learn about food from animals. It means many more types of food items we get from the animals. Okay, let's move to the books.
Be strong.
Let's start the crop production and management. And here you may see the picture of here some farmers work. Plants prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Plants prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं प्लांट्स जो है अपना भोजन तैयार फोटोसिंथेसिस के प्रोसेस के दौरान करती है. While animals depend on plants and other animals for food, and some animals depend on the plants for their food. यानी कि बहुत सारे जानवर जो है प्लांट पे निर्भर होते हैं अपने फूड के लिए. The major foods such as cereals, pulse, vegetables, fruits, etc. And here is some major foods, यानी कुछ जो इम्पोर्टेंट फूड्स है, जो क्रियल्स है, पल्सेस है, वेजिटेबल्स है, फ्रूट्स है और etc. are all provided by plants. ये सभी क्या है? प्लांट्स के द्वारा हमें प्राप्त होता है. While milk, eggs and meat are obtained from animals, जबकि हम मिल्क, एग्स एंड मीट्स वी गेट फ्रॉम एनिमल्स, यानी हम लोग उसे क्या अंडा, मीट और दूध जानवर से प्राप्त करते हैं. इंडिया हैज ऑलवेज बीन प्राइमरली एन एग्रीकल्चरल कंट्री, and we know that India is the agricultural country. It means the India is called farmers country. यानी इंडिया जो है मेन क्या है? मेन कृषि पे आधारित एक देश है. एग्रीकल्चर वाज नॉन टू द पीपल थाउजेंड्स ऑफ इयर्स एगो. एग्रीकल्चर के बारे में हमारे यहाँ के लोग हजारों साल पहले से एग्रीकल्चर के बारे में वो जाने और उसे करते हुए आ रहे हैं. The practice of growing plants and raising animals for food, fibers and other useful products is called agriculture. The practice of growing plants, जो ये हमारे जो किसान हैं या हम लोग सभी लोग पौधे को उगाते हैं, पौधे की खेती करते हैं, सब किस लिए? फूड के लिए, फाइबर्स ऑब्टेन करने के लिए और भी बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स का इस्तेमाल हम लोग प्रोडक्ट्स पाने के लिए हम लोग एग्रीकल्चर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. द टर्म एग्रीकल्चर has been derived from the Latin word agri, meaning field. यहाँ पर देखिए कि एग्रीकल्चर का आखिर नामकरण कैसे हुआ, कैसे हम लोग ये जाने कि एग्रीकल्चर मीन्स खेती करना। तो एग्री, तो यहाँ एक लैटिन वर्ड है एग्री, एग्री का अर्थ होता है फील्ड यानी कि खेत, और कल्ट्रा मीनिंग होता है कल्टीवेशन यानी करना। तो यहाँ पर एग्रीकल्चर का मतलब है खेती करना। तो हियर we know that from where the word agriculture is derived from. Agricultural words derive from the Latin word agri meaning field and cultura meaning cultivation. Okay, the term agriculture has been derived from the Latin words agri meaning field and the cultura meaning cultivation. Thanks for watching, and all students, I request you please watch again and again this video, and the next we have to learn about the crops on the next video. Thanks.